Morning weather with Jim Spencer.
Well, a live look outside tonight. Skies actually mostly cloudy right now. There was a cluster of showers over around Houston that has put a deck of clouds in our sky up at about 15,000 feet, but no rain falling out of any of those clouds right now. It's 85 degrees here in the city. A warm and muggy night for sure. Here's your planning forecast for Friday. We start the day with some low clouds, about 75 at noon, up to 88. 5 o'clock tomorrow, 95 degrees, still not even near that 100-degree mark. Amazing summer so far, have yet to hit 100 degrees. A year ago, we'd been 100 or hotter 41 times as of today. We're real lucky. It's been hotter in New York. It's been hotter in Moscow than it has in Austin, Texas this summer. In fact, Moscow today hit 100 degrees for the first time in that city's history. Never has that happened, and it's the second all-time record in the last 3 days. 14 countries now this summer have set all-time record high temperatures as the Earth continues to warm. We've seen record warm temperatures around the globe now for 3 consecutive months. Temperatures right now back here at home, low 80s, 76 in Fredericksburg, 86 in Georgetown, low 80s in our eastern counties. In the city right now it's 85 and skies are partly cloudy. At ABIA it is mostly cloudy and 84 degrees. Winds are variable at 6 miles per hour in the city. At ABIA south winds are at 9. No rainfall today. First day this week we didn't see any rainfall. Would you look at this monthly total? This is absolutely wonderful. 5 1/3 inches at the airport. That is 3 inches above an average July rainfall. July is typically a dry month for us, as you know. Nice little surplus for the year, too. Unfortunately, not enough runoff to really impact our lake levels. Lake Buchanan is still 2 feet below average. Lake Travis looking real good, though. If you're headed out there this weekend, it's going to be real enjoyable. About 4 feet above its average July elevation and warm water at 86 degrees. All right, allergy sufferers. This is the only problem when you get a lot of rain in the summer. You get a lot of mold, and 3,000 plus was the count today in one location. A second allergy clinic today measured a count over 15,000. That is in the crazy high level. This weekend we'll continue to see mold spores at high concentrations. Around Texas tonight, 86 in Dallas, 81 in Houston, 87 Abilene, Panhandle 78. Amarillo, it's not too bad. Not many rain showers right now. A few out in West Texas. The upper low that brought us the rain the last several days, there it is. It's moved now into southwestern New Mexico. Too far away to bring us any rainfall today. And this building ridge of high pressure that we typically see in the summertime, well, it will continue building through the weekend and through next week. We'll see gradually hotter and hotter weather. We very easily could get our first 100-degree day sometime in the next 7 days. The tropics, so we're always watching them this time of year. In the Windward Islands out there approaching the moving into the Caribbean Sea, a weak area of low pressure. Slow development is possible. Now this one is going to be real interesting. That wave moved off of Africa a couple of days ago, and these that start down here in the intertropical convergence zone this time of year, about 30% of the time will turn into a hurricane. A couple of our hurricane models say this will be a hurricane in about the next 3 to 5 days and will track generally our direction. We got a long time to watch it. We'll keep you updated. Here are your lows tonight. We're talking about mid-70s in most locations, warm and muggy. And I'm afraid tomorrow will be hotter than today, maybe not quite up to 98. Believe it or not, this is the coolest computer model I could find. The computer models think it's going to be 100 degrees or hotter from tomorrow right on through the next week. They can't quite take into account the moisture in the soil and all the green vegetation that tends to knock down your high temperatures a few degrees. So they want to say 98 or 100. I'm not going to go that high quite yet, but it is very possible that by the end of the 7-day period, we're dry enough that we do get up to 100 as that high pressure gets a little stronger. Okay, tonight, 75, some low clouds coming in. Let's just go 95 tomorrow. Could get to 96, 97. Mostly sunny skies. Now, after tomorrow, we start warming up a little more on Saturday, 97. 98 on Sunday, mostly sunny skies. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week, we're going to get real close to 100 if we don't hit it. And well, in fact, we don't have any rain, actually, in your 7-day forecast. Weather in the morning begins at 5 a.m. The weather and traffic together every 10 minutes on Austin News Today.